Here's a breakdown on bank and another breakdown on American Airlines. We're going to start off with BAC and pretty simple, straightforward trade. There was a pre-market low here that I was looking to short. I like to wait on those first rallies and then hold through that secondary pullback. And so you can see that the pullback comes, takes out that pre-market low. We move to this lower level, we set, we rally, and then we move lower. As soon as it came down and crushed this level right through here at about 39 bucks even, I scaled out of this 15% move on the options that I was trading. Nothing crazy. Bank options typically don't get hyper volatile. Nonetheless, they still moved in my favor, and not a bad way to start off Monday. Another one that we're looking at was a UAL. And this was something that I put together in chat for the team. And the same thing, we had our move to the downside. We had a very specific structured level at 35.15 that we're looking to short. Price action did break down. You can see that it trended sideways a little bit and then really stepped down here. It had a nice, decent pullback into its moving average right through here, and then cracked lower, and you can see that we're about to make a secondary move down through low of day at 33.24. So these are the two trades. I should have probably taken UAL, although I didn't know in the moment as I was getting into these positions, but the options on UAL outperformed the options that I had on Bank of America. Nonetheless, I posted both of these in chat, told the team about it, and this is what we ended up doing today on Monday. And I scaled back down to a 2-minute chart. I actually wanted to make some quicker trades. The last couple of weeks I've been trying to look at longer time frames, but with the state of the market, it's been a little bit more difficult. And to be completely honest, if you're going to be day trading, you should be using a 2 up to a 5 to 15-minute chart sort of combo. And today I was trading on the 2 minutes. Worked out well. That's what I did.